Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Here, you'll find videos exploring the world of the well-dressed gentleman, from in-depth shoe shine tutorials to how to care for your wardrobe, to travel videos as we visit some of the world's most exciting places in pursuit of quality craftsmanship and tradition. What began 4 years ago as a passion for shining shoes has grown to include the many varying interests of the well-traveled gentleman. Tailoring, cigars, whiskey, food, travel, history, and much, much more. But this channel isn't about showing you the world's most expensive shoes, suits, or cigars, although sometimes they may be. Instead, it's about discovering the people behind these exceptional products. Join us as we pull back the curtain and take you behind the scenes on this incredible journey. We hear the stories, see their work, and discover how they create the most amazing products. So please click that subscribe button and join me as we discover the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition.